Guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove or replace front seat on Ford Fiesta MK7. That will be generation 2008 to 2017. We'll have guys more than 200 videos coming on this vehicle. We'll be taking apart the whole car, so if you need a video, please subscribe. If we don't have the video, let us know, we'll try to make it. So first thing that we'll need to do, we'll need to go ahead and disconnect the battery, okay? And we'll proceed 30 minutes after we disconnect the battery. So the first step will be to disconnect your battery. And it's important how you do that. When you disconnect the battery, you need to disconnect the negative cable first. Okay, this is the negative, minus cable, and positive second. And why you do that? It's because if you don't disconnect the negative, and you disconnect the positive and accidentally touch it to the body of the car, you still have connection and you can burn the computer or at least the fuse. So we're going to disconnect the negative and the positive after that as well. Make sure that they're not going to touch. If you think they do, make sure you put a glove or something underneath them. Okay, and let's proceed with the next step. Okay, so we have Torx 50. Ours is a little bit twisted because it's seen better days. You need to scoot the seat all the way to the front. We'll demonstrate on the driver's side seat. The passenger will be about the same procedure. Okay, and let me move the seat all the way to the front now actually. Okay, that's it. So now with that Torx 50 and the ratchet, we're going to remove, okay, you can see where the bolt is. And those usually will be tight, and once you get them loose, they'll still be going tight. This is just because of the way the bolt is designed. Okay, this one, and some of them will have thread locks, some will have rust, so that's why sometimes it's hard to remove them. What I do on mine, I usually remove them and grease them every so often. Okay, let's see if this one has some rust. Yep, you can see. So now go ahead, screw the seat all the way to the back. And you have two more identical on this side on the front. So you can see we're removing the two on the front now. Once you do that, it's careful for the seat not to fall backwards, because most likely you have wires attached to it that we'll need to disconnect. We'll find out in a minute. Most of them you do. Okay, so now I'll grab it with one hand, tilt it backwards. Okay, and now we're going to disconnect the wires. Okay, so there you just push in the middle and you unhook the wires, and all you have to do, just pull them out of the rail. Okay, like that, nothing else there. So we can proceed with actually pulling the seat out of the vehicle. Okay, now we can go ahead, grab the seat. Careful not to scratch anything, because you have the rail, okay, in the way. Okay, and most likely they will come only in one certain angle. There we go guys, and the seat is out of the car, as you can see. Let me show you what's here now. You always have trash underneath, so it will now be the time to detail it. Okay, you can see that's only the wire, and that's how you unhook it. Okay, right here you press down and you pull it out. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and many more videos to come.